Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Divvy Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. Divvy Expense Management Review My Usage Experience offers a streamlined expense management solution for businesses and teams. Its main purpose is to simplify the process of tracking, categorizing, and reimbursing expenses, reducing administrative overhead and improving financial clarity. Key features likely include expense tracking, receipt uploading, automated reimbursements, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Divvy positions itself as an intuitive and efficient expense management platform. They emphasize ease of use and transparent pricing. Their website highlights the absence of hidden fees and contracts. They use a cloud-based system for accessibility and reliability. Availability is likely widespread, but checking their website for specific regional support is recommended. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Divvy Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. Setting up my account was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward and clearly guided. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. I found it intuitive to upload receipts via the app and categorize expenses. The automatic expense categorization was surprisingly accurate, saving me a lot of time. The dashboard provided a clear overview of my spending, making it easy to monitor budget adherence. I was particularly impressed by the speed of reimbursement. My team members received their reimbursements within a couple of days of submitting their expense reports. I had a quick question about integrating Divvy with our accounting software, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. One minor drawback was that the mobile app wasn't available on my preferred operating system, so I had to use the web version. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Divvy. It significantly streamlined our expense management process, saving both time and effort. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reporting. It generated insightful expense summaries automatically. That's my overview of Divvy Expense Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.